We are launching our brand, the tea brand here, Northeast Tea. Check all this vintage car. Man, I'm gonna walk around, okay, and show you guys. Are we ready to do this, Pao? Yeah? You ready to sell some chai? Honey, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's start the vlog. If some of you are watching our Instagram story, you will know what we're doing today. So, this is our chai. We will be explaining a little bit more about that later, but you can see around. This is a fall festival, you call, right?
Yep.
And everyone is bringing their own product, you know, their own handloom and whatever they make to sell today. Okay, and likewise we are also bringing our own chai. So just before we begin the other part, I know, just watch what we did last night. Okay, all right people, can you see this? Northeast Tea Co, which is a company, okay, Indian chai tea. So today Emma and I is busy preparing this. Actually tomorrow we are selling this. Yeah, this is the tea, homemade tea, and we are launching our brand, the tea brand here, Northeast Tea Company. Okay, if this went well, success, we might do it proper one even in the future, but this is just to try out. So finger crossed, excited for everything. Somebody's cutting the peppers to stick. Everything, every single thing that you see here, and you see this girl and you see me here, we are working hard today. And now it's about midnight and we are still getting ready for tomorrow. Good luck for us. She's busy. Yes, so that's what we did last night, you know, making a chai to sell today, but also trying to launch our this brand of Northeast Tea Company. Small, starting small. We make only 13 packets, right?
Right.
But if this went well, probably in the future we would like to make this as a bigger one. But as of now, start with small. Okay, everything start with small, right, Paul? And after some time, we'll take a walk and then I'll show you all the fall festival, what is, you know, going on here. They have a car show, all these vintage car are there.
Yeah.
And then she's ready to sell. Right, Paul? And guys, check all this vintage car. Man, I'm gonna walk around, okay, and show you guys. So good, so good. Look at all this car for sure. I have never seen like this vintage car in my life. One or two here and there, but I saw like this. It's crazy, man, seriously, because I don't have much knowledge, but whatever I can I just show. But seriously guys, I can spend my whole day here. It's not crazy, seriously. My goodness, solid. And everyone from the falls are to this direction to see the car. All right, let's continue to walk around and show also, you guys. And I have taken a lot of pictures. You can follow me on Instagram, and then you can see all the good picture there about this car. Okay, check this out, guys. This is amazing. And here we have another one here. And look at this. Oof. Crazy. I'll show you guys the engine, okay, and inside. This is how it looks like from inside. Look at this. And the engine. Mother, how many have we sold?
2.
Good? In a good price? How much is one packet of tea?
$8.
So this packet is $8, okay? And all the information how to make chai are all written here. Bravo! Good job!
All the Indians are like, oh my gosh, there's so many.
Hi!
Hi! Reagan told me you're selling chai.
Yeah, look like we're gonna have another one. Hi, Paul. Here's Didi. Some of you were asking where is Didi, right? Here's Didi. Yeah, Didi and Peanut together. There you go. Good girl. Oh. Alright, alright.
You want to go, Paul?
You wanna come here, Papa? Alright. What a fun day, seriously. I still can't, you know, that car. So good. They're so good. Ini ka vintage gari takisi guli tu hilai dule sle pai nai vintage tu sai bina modern car bhi nai ho moi tu aibo ek din tu aibo all right, we are selling one more. They sleep now. So we have sold how many? 6. Yeah, we have sold 6 packets and we are left with about 8 packets now. Didi, there's a guy wanted to see you again and again in the vlog. Every time you see this camera, you're like, yeah, I know. So this one, you guys went to one of the store, right?
Yeah, it was free. She said we could have it.
And then she just went and grabbed this and she didn't let it go. So the owner is like, okay, Peanut is so cute, so let's just have it. So she bought this.
His name is Mel.
Mel, yeah, she bought
And his
Mel.
birthday is...
That was cute of you, Peanut.
January 15th.
She just went and grabbed that and she liked it and then she didn't let it go. So the owner had to say, okay, just take it now.
This is so cute.
Yeah, but thank you, Didi. Didi is being faithfully looking after Peanut today. Yeah, you should be grateful to Didi, okay? Yeah. Hey, let me rub him out.
Oh my gosh, rubber. Oh yeah, there's your spoon.
Where's your brother?
I think he went home.
Okay.
We don't need that stuff.
There, play this. Play with this. So cute. Look at it. Look like you. Boo, 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 boo.
It's a little baby.
Alright. I like these festivals. It's very nice. You know, people can just chill. It's not a rush. Just chill around. You know, look around, buy, look around, walk around. Right, Paul?
There's a bee on your head. That's on my head.
Nah, I'm fine. Nothing's here. Yeah, that bee's been wandering around for quite some time now. It's just right here on top of the bucket, the donation box. Yeah, you're such a cutie.
There's also some fireworks.
Alright, so we are left with 6 packets. Emma is working now in a cafe and I'm taking care of this. And Sabrina is somewhere here with Didi. Didi is taking care of Sabrina. Once in a while she'll bring here, I'll play with her, and Didi will take back, and Emma will come soon here to see the baby again. But I'm just having a good time. I sell 2 more, so not bad. 6 more. I hope we can sell them all today. Well, our first launching our on chai here, going well for now. I hope this will continue even in the future. Okay, check this out, guys. Woo, look at this. That's Didi, okay, and I think this guy on this one. Bye, Didi. Look at the ride. Ooh. That looks fun. Gone. Alright, this is where all the vintage car was. Now most of the car are gone. Just few more. Not this one and the other one right there, and there's 2 more, and that's all, and 1 tractor here. The rest are all modern car. Okay, the festival is done. Okay, everyone is packing up. I am done packing. I put everything in the car. They're gone. So yeah, everything's packed. I'm just waiting for Emma. She's still working. They're almost done. Here it comes. Here it comes the tractor. I think this tractor is about 50 to 60 years old. Here it comes. Do it. Good one. Nice. Ah, dang, this guy. You're blocking my view, dude. Anyway, that was a very beautiful event, the fall festival. I wish it was, you know, a little longer, but I think it happens only once a year, and not just one day, and that was today. And we just sell teas, and many people were selling their home items and clothes and so on and so forth. Sorry. Anyway, all right, so let's cross the road. Oh, by the way, let me update how many packets that we are able to sell our chai. I think we brought 13 packets, and out of 13 we sell 11 packets, and so 2 is left. We're gonna make more and keep it here so that, you know, the cafe down there can sell for us. Not bad, right? 11 packets. Also, look, this tree, beautiful. I'm admiring this season of falls. Anyway, I'm going home now, and because Peanut is at home, let's go and see how she's doing. And I don't think we'll be vlogging again for today. This will be the last one. So keep loving, keep supporting. Signing off from Jerry and Emma. Bye bye.